In this guide, you will learn about the sections that appears on the home screen. Click the Bank's menu. AlChavo.com displays a list of all the bank accounts. ID is the identification code assigned to the bank account. Name is the name that identifies the bank account. GL account is the general ledger number of the bank account. Account number is the bank account number. AP next check is the number for the next check or voucher on the accounts payable module. PA next check is the number for the next check or voucher on the payroll module. Elect Pay to confirm if the bank account makes electronic payments to suppliers authorized by the bank. Elect Called to confirm if the bank account received electronic deposit authorized by the bank. For electronic payment or collection services, there must be prior agreements with the bank. PADD confirms whether or not the bank account has direct deposit for the payroll module. Affiliated confirms whether or not the account is automatically reconciled. For direct deposits and affiliated accounts, there must be prior agreements with the bank. Enact AP confirms whether or not the bank account is inactive for the accounts payable module. Enact AR confirms whether or not the bank account is inactive for the accounts receivable module. Enact PA confirms whether or not the bank account is inactive for the payroll module. Enact GL confirms whether or not the bank account is inactive for the general ledger module. Enact BR confirms whether or not the bank account is inactive for bank reconciliation. Real confirms whether the bank account is an actual bank account or an adjustment account. A bank account by adjustment is generated for special situations in which it is necessary to evidence the existence of an invoice or collection that was handled by some external agreement between the parties. In this section, shows commands to filter the bank accounts that will appear on the screen. Click the Filters drop-down button to activate the menu. Click the Active Bank Account List item. AlChavo.com displays the filter list by active bank accounts. For security, the Add, Edit, and Delete buttons will only be active for the account manager. The More Actions button is used to export the list of bank accounts to PDF, Excel, or CSV formats. Click the Add Links button for quick access to commands that insert or add elements in the different modules of AlChavo.com. The Support button is used to create a technical request in the Task Manager. Use the drop-down list to select the current company. The Language button is used to change the language between English and Spanish. Click the Language button. Click the Español link. Click the Language button. Click the English link. Click the Logout link. Congratulations, you have completed exploring the homepage guide. End of procedure.